Oh yeah, she's dirty, dirty girl. You dirty, dirty girl, you. You dirty, dirty girl. But I think what we're going to focus on today is going to be the rims right here. Look at, that is horrible. That is horrible. Yeah.
Let's get it. Yeah. In the trap, I need every penny. I count every penny. Twice. I'm just that nice. Never bounce on the count. I've been down, I've been out. I bounce back. X5 outside. That's my day to day. I got a driver. He a cancer survivor. He said he quit because he's sick. I get shot at. I bulletproof the lack. He still wouldn't come back. Now 50 racks. It's worth it. I can't have my driver nerve.
And it just so happens that we had a channel supporter that came through and helped us out a lot. So we have some stuff here that we're gonna give a try. I don't know if it's gonna be a product review, but it's things that we've never used before, and we're gonna be giving you our honest opinions on them. So I don't know what that is. For now, I'm just gonna walk out into the sun and just be, I gotta paint that garage, maybe. Anyway, rock with your boy. Let's get it.
Wow.
Man, did you see all the nails they put in my backyard the other day? Oh my God, haters, what?
I did.
The haters is out here thick. All right, so we got our pressure washer out. Oh, shut up, lady. So we got our pressure washer out. It's not a high-power pressure washer, 1700 PSI. But the goal for today is to clean these tires up a little bit. So, I went through our little box of stuff, and I found this. This is Tuff Stuff Wheel and Tire Cleaner. I don't endorse this product. I don't get paid from this product. Real talk. I'm just gonna use it right now, and I'm gonna show y'all how it works on the tires. But before we do that, we gotta wash the damn car. So let's do that first. Yeah. So this is the main goal right here. Is on the wheels. As y'all can see, this is the problem. Look at this. Yeah, it actually looks pretty nice under there. But we gotta get all that dirt off. And look at the caliper back there. The only bad part about washing the car in the garage is it will get kind of slick from time to time. So watch your steps. They're probably just gonna wait around and wait for me to bust my ass. If I had that soap cannon, we could have just sprayed it with soap and hit it from top to bottom.
I seen it the other day.
Did you?
I did. It's over there with my garden stuff.
Oh, is it?
Yes. Here, hold on. I'll get it. I'll be right back. What are you doing?
Man, I've never done this before, but we have I guess this is kind of a soap cannon thing, so we're gonna give it a try. I don't even want to fill this up all the way, actually. We do need a little bit of soap in the bucket. I know I did too much. Don't care. All right, fam. So I've never done this before. Let's fill the bucket up with some hot water. Get that out the way, and this goes on the gun over here, huh?
Yes.
But we don't have no idea if this is gonna work.
We've never used that before, huh?
We've never used it before. Yeah. and it was missing the plastic ring. Look how dirty my hands are. It was missing the plastic ring on there, so I found another one in my plumbing box. Don't know how that's gonna work, but we shall see. Okay, so that's too big. All right, Cody, move.
Woo!
Oh, a lot of water coming.
Is that ring too big?
Yeah, I think the ring is too big. Either way, it's not not picking up no soap.
Something's not hooked up right here.
You see all the water coming out this thing?
I do.
Okay, so we got boxes over here. Let's try to push these out the way. I wasn't expecting to be leaking this much. So that was an abysmal failure. We need a soap can. So that did not work. What's the name of this freaking gun again?
It's a Greenworks.
Greenworks. Think about that, guys. All right.
Well, we've only had that thing for what? We bought it when we moved into the other house, so like going on 5 years.
Real talk. So we're gonna go ahead and get this car washed up because we already have the bucket of soapy water ready. We're gonna get this car washed up, get all the dirt off of it, and we'll be back. So here's the stuff again. This is Tuff stuff. No endorsements, no nothing like that. This is just a pure product review. The first use of it, I kind of liked it, but let me show you a quick one on this one. Not the whole thing, but I'm gonna show you a quick one. First, it foams, and I love that. So when you spray it on, try to keep it away from your paint.
You already got it on there.
Yeah, I see that. It foams up and it kind of clings. And as you can see, it's already breaking that stuff up. That's what I'm most concerned about right there is the caliber. You're not supposed to put that on polished chrome, by the way. All right. So let that kind of break some of that stuff up. And then I take my old soapy water and I try to hit this rim as good as I can. Fam, all right, today we are using this Tuff Stuff foaming wheel and tire cleaner. Like I said, a channel supporter had donated this to us, and so far it's been working really great, but I wanted to go over some of the details with you guys so that you knew. So I'm gonna read the back of it. I never do this. Usually my wife reads stuff. Let me take my old man glasses off here. All right, Tuff Stuff formula and wheel and tire cleaning formula. Works hard to remove brake dust and road grime with ease. Safe on coated, factory, and aftermarket wheels. Dissolves brake dust and road grime. Important. Pay attention to this, y'all. Use only on wheels cooled to the touch. Do not use on uncoated or polished aluminum, matte wheels, brake parts, or other zinc and chromium plated surfaces. Check the manufacturer if you are unsure which type of wheels you have. So they're telling you not to spray this stuff on the brake calipers. Real talk. We probably should have read that before. After using this, the one thing that I definitely love about it is how it foams up. I love that. I'm a big foam guy. Matter of fact, I need a foam gun to spray soap on the car. We tried to use ours today. It didn't work.
Yeah, I think we're about due for a new pressure washer.
So we're gonna spray the caliper too. That's also coated. We shouldn't have done that. Well, they're telling you not to do it, so we're not gonna hold them responsible, but we are gonna show you how this stuff works. And yeah, I'm putting a lot on, so y'all can see.
Over there.
Did I miss a lot?
Just the inside.
I am putting a lot on to show you how it works. As you notice on this tire, it's already turning brown. It's already breaking up the greases. It's already breaking up all the debris. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get my tools. I'm gonna get back down on my knees and scrub this last tire. And then I'm gonna give you guys the aftershock. So stay tuned. We've been working hard on the car, guys. I think we got it ready. Let's check it out. So this would be the aftershock on the tire. I want to say, man, that Tuff stuff, it worked really great. I really did like it. As far as the wheel itself or the tire itself, we use Meguiar Ultimate Shine. And I mean, that stuff is probably my favorite. But even if you kind of get in there, it did break that brake dust up really good. You can see where it rusted out the caliper there. They told you not to put it on there, bruh. So we're gonna turn around and hit the highway and see if we can knock some of that stuff off. Real talk, real talk. But it looks great, boy, look at that. She looks great, guys. Let's get it. So as y'all seen, we got the car clean. So I wanna give a special shout out to Miss Patty for helping us get the car clean. It looks great, thanks to you. FYI, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel, come on back. We talk about all kind of great stuff. It's a variety channel. And until next week.
We at the halfway point.
Let's get it, boy, yeah.
Let's get it, yeah. In the trap, I need every penny. I count every penny twice. I'm just that nice, never bounce on the count. I've been down, I've been out. I bounce back, X5 outside. That's my day to day. I got a driver, he a cancer survivor. He said he quit because he's sick. I get shot at. I bulletproof the lack. He still wouldn't